Ho, Uncle Nudge here. I'm up in the mountains and I'm going to a familiar spot to check the water levels, because if you've been out and about, you know that rivers have been real close to flooding. Just a lot of water, and I'm real familiar with this spot. Beautiful white water all the way down. Definitely turning up a lot of new rocks. Kind of hard to tell, but if you saw the video that was actually shot a few years ago where I carried that big red rock up the hill, that happened right over here. I carried it across and up through there, carried it up. There's the huge rock. So yeah, I don't really see anything. Well, there's something kind of interesting down there, actually. Can I get down there? What is that? I gotta get down there. Is that wood? Yeah, it's wood. I thought, man, that looks like petrified wood. Well, it's real wood. Yeah, I don't see any red boulders or anything here. That's kind of cool. I can't get it out, but pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Super cool. Actually fairly warm. It was 67. When I come up here, it's probably a little cooler. It actually feels really good. Quartzite. Not much going on with it. Yeah. Get up here. Pretty loud up here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That little sun coming out. Nice. Okay, I've just been looking at this beautiful scenery here. Sure nice. Looks like the sun's starting to go away, a little bit left, but I'm gonna make my way back out of here carefully, and got my eyes open. Maybe I find something. That's not it, but my main goal now is just not to slip. I'll have to say the soles on these Skechers are actually have a really good grip. Pretty impressed. Oh, there's something kind of cool. Kind of a green blue stripy quartz and something. I think I'll keep that. I mean, that's all I would expect to find here today, is just something real small, but you never know. There's I showed it to you before, I think. Cool piece of large Jasper. And here's a really large one, but I'm not going to get it wet right now, but yeah, it's pretty big. It's kind of a bizarre, quartzy, rusty. What's this? Pendant material? Oh, maybe. Let me wash it off. Wow, that water's pretty cold. Yeah, I think I can cut that into a pendant. A couple of them. Just the right size, nice shape. I see something else here. Oh, it's kind of stuck. Yeah, I'm not going to worry about it. Kind of cool though. Yeah, kind of pretty. And my car's up there. Just drove up. I couldn't resist it. I've been thinking about it, and I'm like, I really want to go rock hounding, but I didn't know if once I got up here what to expect, and that's kind of important to know what you're in for, just for your psyche and how you prepare. And so I'm like, I'm coming up. Anyway, I'll have some rock hounding footage in the not too distant future, and until then, Uncle Nudge, see you later.